guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just wanted to do a soft glam look. So this would be something that I would do on like on a day-to-day basis if I do my makeup. It was something simple but cute. So if you want to see how I created this video, then please keep on watching. Alright, but today I'm gonna be using this Hangover primer by Too Faced. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild's Photo-Focus foundation. I am in between shades right now. So currently I'm in between the color Desert Beige and Brown's Beige. This one's too pale for me and this one's way too dark for me. So I'm going to go ahead and mix those colors together. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with the Morphe sponge. Now I'm going to be using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the color Light 20. I told you guys what setting powder I'm using. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. I haven't used it in a while, so I thought I should use it today. And I'm only going to use some bronzer today, and I'm going to use this Beauty Basics one. And then my eyebrows are crazy right now, but I'm waiting to get them done. So I'm letting them grow out a little bit. Oh, I didn't realize that that bronzer left some shimmer on my face. So I didn't realize that that bronzer, that shimmers. So I'm going to go ahead and spray myself really quick. And this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So I feel like doing your eyebrows is like a necessary part about makeup, because if your eyebrows aren't done, your look doesn't feel finished. And then I go ahead and clean them so that they kind of look better. Let's go ahead and do some blush and highlights. So I got this in BoxyCharm. So I got this pure brow bronzer and brightening. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some. I'm guessing the orange one is blush. It looks really orange in the thing, but it's not that orange on the skin. She looks pretty nice. Alright, and then there's also a highlight, and I use the Morphe M530 brush, but you guys know that because I use it all the time. And then for highlight, I'm going to use this one. So the highlights are really pretty. I just realized I wasn't recording the entire time. I just did one shade. So I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Heat Palette. And right now I am using the color Sauced. This one. I haven't tried this palette before right now. So I wanted to use it because it has like a lot of neutral colors. And then the next color I'm going to go into is Heat Devil. It's this one right here. And then I'm just going to go a little bit in that one. And that one we're just going to focus a little bit on the outer corner. Super pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to go into Ember. It's this one, the one that's broken. That's unfortunate, but there's nothing I can do about it. Alright, I'm just gonna still focusing on the outer V, but this one just more so on it because we're trying to darken this up right now. Okay, I'm gonna grab this M518 brush and I'm gonna go back into Sauce and try to diffuse that. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna grab some of the Heat Devil. Alright, and then I'm gonna go back into Low Blow, which is that one right there. Wait, this one right there. And then I'm gonna soften that up. Ooh. I'm gonna go into Lumbre, and that one's this one right there. And I am just gonna pack it on with my finger. And then I'm gonna go into Ash, which is this purple one right there. For the bottom, I'm gonna use the color Low Blow. Alright, and then I'm gonna put out some of that Ember at the outer corner, just a little bit to darken that up. Make sure the bottom to the top kind of meet. Then I'm gonna grab this Morphe M573 brush, and I'm gonna grab some of the Heat Devil. See? I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. I'll be right back. Alright, so now they're caught up to the same. I realized that some of the pigment on the one that I just put kind of not there. So I'm gonna put some setting spray on my packing brush, and then I'm gonna go back into Lumbre. That looks so pretty. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab some of this Ounce color to highlight my brow bone. So, and then I'm gonna put some of the highlight on again. It's called Afterglow. And just put some there. And then I'm gonna grab this Morphe E36 brush. Yeah, my shirt's really dirty right now. This is why I don't wear my clothes when I'm getting ready. I get really messy. Okay, what is there to do? Alright, so I'm gonna use some of this vintage smoky eye pencil. This is in the color Jet Black, and do my waterline with that. Alright, so for next step, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I love the way my eyes look when I do eyeliner because I feel like it gives them the cat eye effect, and I feel like it suits me better. You don't have to on this look, but I like to, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. So I went ahead and put on a different shirt. I got another piercing. So I want to go ahead and fill my entire ear with earrings. I used to, before I got pregnant, I used to have 7 on this ear and 5 on this ear because I had 7 and 7, but they closed, so I'm re-piercing them. So I got the number 5. I used to just have 4. Up over here. Wish me luck because they kind of hurt. Alright, so for lipstick today, I am going to use my favorite. I used to use it a lot. Actually, in my first couple of videos, I used it practically every time. So it's the Colourpop Ultra Matted Lippy, and this is in the color Times Square. I'm just putting a little bit more highlight because I am loving this highlight. Oh, it's beautiful. god, it looks so pretty. Alright, my peoples. So this is the final look. I am living for this look right now. So this is what I would do on like just going out, like nothing too fancy. It's like a day-to-day. So this is my soft glam. I really hope you guys like this video as much as I like making it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye!